a lot of people are making shops out of their small garages. And they have table saws and jointers and planers, band saws, drill presses, all kinds of things in their shop. Plus they got the lawnmower and the snowblower. The place is full of stuff. Well, if you have to drag it around everywhere, get help to move stuff, it isn't practical. But with the use of casters like you see on these things, I even have it on my table saw, you can't see it. The table saw, the dust extractor, everything is on casters. And so I can kind of move around pretty good in the shop all by myself. That's what this video is about the practicality of using casters on your tools and carts and everything that you got in your shop. So let's watch how I do this. Move all this stuff in, and look how easy it is for me. Well, first thing I got to do is get the floor clean. Use my battery blower and get all the pebbles and junk off the floor. Oops. Got to make sure that that I've got the camera in the record mode. Now there's a barrel full of sticks and cleaning supplies. I'll push that over in the corner. The snowblower on a 4-wheel swivel cart. I have to keep it out of the way in the summer, so I put it on a 4-wheel cart. Easier to tuck away that way. I could have just pushed the snowblower in on its own wheels, but it's not quite as easy to get it tucked away. Now what? Oh, cart full of junk. This should all be in the garbage. I'm just wasting a bunch of floor space and 4 casters with that junk. This is my drill press and the coffee pot. I got that on a 4-wheel cart. I was afraid that it might be a little unstable, but nope, it works real good. My toolbox. This has got my carving supplies, all kinds of stuff in this cart. It's actually what motivated me to put everything else on carts. Now I can jockey my drill press into position. Works real nice. An empty barrel. What a stupid thing. Waste of space. And a waste of casters. My favorite little compressor. I love that thing. Use it all the time. My miter saw on a cart with a cardboard hood that I confangled. Well, I'm fixing to get a new one. I think I like to get a Festool. Compound. There's my Merca extractor. So normally what I do is I make a 2x2 platform like this, and I'll put on 2 rigid casters and 2 swivels with brake. In this case I have all swivels and no brakes. I have the garbage can on this one, and I just push it around wherever I want, let her fly. So it's fairly easy to make the carts that I'm scared to put my foot on it, but they do run real well. And actually, the one that has the 2 rigid casters and the 1 swivel with brake, they're nice so that it doesn't try to get away from you if it's a bigger like this cart. So whatever you like, it sure simplifies the shop when you got to get at something and you can just roll it out like you saw me doing today. You should get yourself some of these casters. Well, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, give her the thumbs up, subscribe and share it with your friends.